Changing a set of taps. Turn off the hot and cold water supply. Open the taps to drain off any excess water. Remove your new set of taps from the packaging. Dismantle the tap head. This process may vary depending on the taps you've chosen. With a pair of adjustable grips, remove the center of the tap. This is done to clean out any debris or dirt left inside the tap from the manufacturer. Clean the insides and washers. Now, reassemble. By using a tap tightener, remove the old taps from the basin. Replace the old taps with the new ones. For ease of demonstration, here we've shown how the tap is connected away from the basin. Replace the fiber washer on the swivel tap connector and tighten up with the tap tightener. Again, we've demonstrated this away from the taps.